Losing weight in a healthy and quick way is a common goal for many people. However, it's important to remember that sustainable weight loss requires long-term lifestyle changes. With some simple changes in diet, physical activity, and lifestyle, it's possible to lose weight in a healthy and safe way. Here are some tips to help you achieve your weight loss goals in a quick and healthy way. Cut calories. To lose weight, you need to burn more calories than you consume. Start by reducing the number of calories you consume daily by limiting portion sizes and avoiding high-calorie foods such as fast food, fried foods, soda, and sweets. Instead, choose nutrient-rich foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Increase physical activity. To burn more calories and lose weight more quickly, it's important to increase your physical activity. Try to do at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity every day, such as walking, running, biking, or swimming. Also, try to include strength training exercises such as weightlifting or push-ups to help build muscle and burn fat. Drink plenty of water. Water is essential for keeping your body hydrated and helping to eliminate toxins. In addition, drinking water before meals can help control appetite and eat less. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Sleep well. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining good health and aiding in weight loss. When you sleep poorly, it can affect your levels of hormones that control appetite and metabolism, making it harder to lose weight. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. Seek support. Losing weight can be a challenge, and having the support of friends and family can make all the difference. Also, consider working with a nutritionist or personal trainer to help you achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way. I hope these tips have been helpful to get you started on your journey of healthy and quick weight loss. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Also, leave a comment below sharing your own tips and experiences to help others on their weight loss journey. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.